Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. The SPY is going insane right now after hours. I called out this last bull flag at like 15 minutes before the close, and I hesitated taking this long. I would have only taken 10 points, but it sucks because it went up. It rallied right now 30 points into the supply area. So real fast, let me break down the best plays of the day. I'm going to start on a 1 hour chart. There's a lot of stuff going on here. I just have a lot of support levels, but essentially we had this supply zone from Friday. We had this big drop, and so there were sellers here. And so coming into today, we had this nice rally pre-market, and then right at 8:30, that's when volume typically comes in. And so you either see one of two things play out. You either see the market really pump or dump. In this case, we didn't go insanely high or really drop any lower, but I saw this pattern form on a 1 minute chart, which I'll try to throw up on here. It's basically that same distribution, Wyckoff distribution manipulation pattern that I've been noticing a lot. And so it was just a nice double top off of the supply area. And so I'd seen that pattern on the 1 minute chart, and so I decided to take it short. So this was the first play of the day, double top, whatever you want to call it, into the supply area. And it was about 15-20 points in a matter of 10 minutes. And then the second play of the day was basically this bear flag off of this drop. And so there was a support level here pre-market at 6:30. You can see that whenever we dropped here, we found some buyers. And then whenever we approached this area here at 8:50, initially it acted as support, but then we broke below it. So this level right here at 55.75 was my support zone, acting as resistance. So if you get in here with a 5-point stop loss, yes, there's a little bit of drawdown that you incur, but you never get stopped out, and it absolutely dumped. This was another support level that I had, so this was a good area to target. This was another one of those plays where it's kind of hard to tell, where this thing's going to drop. I think it dropped from 70 to 10. It was a 60-point drop, so you're not catching this whole move. You're only catching a portion, from here, 55 to 45. That was a 10-point, target that you could have taken off of this demand level. This level over here from 40 was a different level that I had, so could have targeted that. But after we broke through that, I was waiting for this pullback here. And so you can see there was a nice 50% retracement. So if I put a Fibonacci tool from the top to the bottom, drag it over, we just got above the 50% mark before we're getting rejected. And I was watching this on the 15-minute chart. So if I go to a 15-minute chart, you can see we never closed over that area. We just kept, getting to here and then rejecting below it. So you take a short here at 41 and take it all the way down to 24, 10 to 15 points on the downside. And then, I was expecting this whole move to retrace, but then out of nowhere, the Fed started speaking, and then we got this massive, massive pump. And so what I noticed is that this move from here to here, if you put a Fibonacci tool from the bottom to this top and extend it over, I noticed that on a 15-minute chart, we had a 50% pullback, and we never got closed below this level. And so obviously I missed this play, but then we formed another bull flag here. So this is where I get play number 4 at the end of the day. From here to here, 50% pullback right on this level on a 15-minute chart where we couldn't get those closes. So previous resistance now acting as support. That's your entry at 41 for the last play of the day. I was only going for 10 points as I was watching it. And then, before the market actually closed, it ended up being a 15-point move. And then again, it just monster rally into the supply area, and look what we rejected perfectly right there. So 30-point move right into this area where sellers are currently sitting at. So we'll see if we can break through this either overnight or tomorrow, but as for now, it's still acting as resistance. So that's pretty much it. Quick video. I got you tomorrow. I love you.